Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn scenario analysis in risk management. What is scenario analysis? Imagine you are planning a birthday party outside. We consider different stories: best case, most likely, and worst case. Let's visualize those three scenarios. How does scenario analysis work? We follow four simple steps. Identify the event, create three stories, calculate the impact, and make a plan. Why is it helpful? It reduces surprises, improves decisions, and tests strength under pressure. Now, a simple math example. Imagine a lemonade stand selling cups for $1. We will compare base case, worst case, and best case. Base case, 100 cups times $1 equals $100. Worst case, rainy day, only 20 cups times $1 equals $20. Best case, heat wave, 200 cups times $1 equals $200. By comparing these scenarios, the owner knows how much cash to keep on hand, so they can survive even in the rainy day case. Summary: scenario analysis does not predict the exact future. It prepares you for many possible futures so you are ready for anything. Thank you for watching.